CBSE Class 12 exams likely to be conducted, date to be announced by May 30th. Option of non-exam route should be explored, says Varsha Gaikwad. Education sector stands divided on government's plan to hold 12th board exams in different format. Jharkhand Chief Minister opposes conduction of Class 12 board exams and COVID-19 crisis. Scrap boards and vaccinate all students before any exam, says Sisodia. Chhattisgarh CGBSE Class 12 exam students to take exams from home. All university exams in Gujarat except medical and paramedical courses cancelled. IIM Rohtak invites application for PG Diploma in Sports Management. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You are watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the CBSE Class 12 examination is likely to be conducted and its date and format will be announced by Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on May 30th, said sources. A high-level meeting chaired by Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh was held on Sunday to discuss how to conduct CBSE exams for Class 12 and entrance examinations for professional courses. Education Ministry sources have said that a majority of states and union territories are in favour of conducting the CBSE Class 12 examination. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal has requested the state governments to send their detailed suggestions and feedback on conducting CBSE exams for Class 12 and entrance examinations for professional courses by May 25th. He also said that, "I am confident we will be able to arrive at an informed collaborative decision regarding the Class 12 board exams and remove the uncertainty among students and parents' minds by informing them of our final decision at the earliest. I want to reiterate that both students and teachers' safety, security and future are supremely important to us." The Maharashtra School Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad on Sunday said a decision on Class 12 exams in the state, which have been postponed earlier, will be taken in a week's time, and added that the option of a non-examination route should be explored in view of the ongoing pandemic situation. The Maharashtra government has already cancelled Class 10 exams of the state board. There are 25,000 CBSE students and 14 lakh state board students of Class 12 in Maharashtra, Gaikwad said. The Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has called a meeting on Monday with the School Education Department, and a decision regarding Class 12 exams will be taken in a week's time, she said. The Bombay High Court had on Thursday come down heavily on the Maharashtra government over the cancellation of Class 10 exams, saying it was making a mockery of the education system. The education sector is divided on the government's plan to conduct the Class 12 board exams in a different format amidst a growing call from a section of students and parents for their cancellation due to the COVID-19 pandemic. While many argued that the exams are crucial and an alternative assessment will not be able to do justice, said others, well-being of students and teachers should be priority in such an extraordinary situation. The Union Education Ministry, after a high-level meeting on Sunday, said there is a board consensus among states to conduct the exams, and the final decision will be announced by June 1st. National Students Union of India President Neeraj Kundan said, "Conducting exams for these 19 subjects could be equally dangerous as it would have been for all the subjects, and considering the present conditions in the country, this is not the risk which the Modi government should take." Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren has opposed the conduction of the Class 12 board exams amidst the pandemic after the central government announced yesterday that the board exams will not be cancelled for the academic session. The Chief Minister expressed his discontent over the conduction of the board exams and said that holding the Class 12 board exams in Jharkhand would not be possible due to the current COVID-19 situation in the state. Many students and their families are going through mental stress, while several children have lost near and dear ones, he said, after participating in the meeting conducted by Centre yesterday. Following a meeting on exams chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Sunday, Education Minister Manish Sisodia said that the Delhi government is not in favour of board examinations being conducted in any form. He also said 1.5 crore class 12 students across the country must be vaccinated on priority basis before they appear for any competitive exam. The CBSE had proposed two options to the Education Ministry for evaluation of class 12 students conducting exams in the existing format only for around 20 major subjects or conducting 1.5-hour objective type exams of major subjects for students in their own schools. The proposals were discussed in the meeting of the state education ministers and state education secretaries on Sunday. After the meeting, Sisodia said his submission was that both options put students in danger and the class 12 students should be evaluated in the manner that has been applied to class 10 students. Sisodia on Saturday held consultations with government and private school teachers and principals and had also taken to social media to seek suggestions from students, teachers and parents. The Chhattisgarh Board of Secondary Education has released the schedule for Class 12 board exams. According to the latest notification, students will receive question papers and answer sheets from their respective centers and will have to submit the answer sheets within 5 days of receiving the question papers. If a student is unable to submit the answer sheets within the stipulated time, he/she will be marked absent in the exam. The students will also have to mark their attendance while submitting the answer sheets. The CGBSE will not accept answer sheets sent through post or courier. The answer sheets will have to be physically submitted at the designated exam centers. Students are advised to wear masks and maintain social distancing while visiting the exam centers for collecting or submitting question papers and answer sheets. Gujarat government has announced the cancellation of all university exams due to the surge in COVID-19 cases and damage caused by cyclone Taukte. However, semester exams of medical and paramedical students will be conducted. A merit-based evaluation will be done for 4th and 6th semester students of all government and private universities of the state. The system will also be applicable to all affiliated colleges of these universities. As per the official notification, around 9.5 lakh college students will be covered under this alternative system of evaluation and promotion. Instead of giving exams, undergraduate students will be graded based on their performance in the previous semester and internal exam marks, with each component carrying 50% weightage. The state has also cancelled the Class 10 board exams and also the students were promoted. The decision on the Class 12 board exams is yet to be taken. The Indian Institute of Management is accepting applications for the 4th batch of Executive Postgraduate Diploma in Sports Management. Candidates with a passion for sports and an aptitude for management can apply for the course at IIM Rohtak. The program offers an innovative interdisciplinary curriculum that is at par with the best in the world. The online registrations are open till July 19th on the official website admission.iimrohtak.ac.in. The selection process will include sports assessment, aptitude test and personal interview. Participants of the course will also be given the opportunity to pursue MSc in Sports Management from Ulster University, UK on successful completion of EPGDSM program. Apart from 160 credit sports consultancy program, all the courses of EPGDSM program will be considered equivalent to the minimum credit requirement for the award of degree of MSc with Ulster University. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theENN.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.